It's a nice day out. I thought I'd get the toys out to play. It's been a little while since they've had a chance to stretch. Little model 720, 730 that my dad built back in the late 60s. My 38 G. My grandfather bought this thing. Then 720 that my dad bought me. I have a few other projects that are pretty far down on the old priority list. But I picked up this pair of running gear this weekend. Plan on making like a little parade cart or just a cute wood wagon type thing to use in parades and different things. I have a 110 that I need to work on, get her running again. And here's our 730 that unfortunately probably 30 years ago, 35 years ago, had it hooked up to a grain auger, started running backwards, and it never has run since then, so that again is pretty far down on the priority list. And then we have our Christmas sleigh. So this fall I need to get this thing painted up and it'll be back out on our street, Dragons on Main. So lots of fun projects way down on the priority list.